Hello, in this video we're going through problems 1 and 2 from your Try 1 Algebra 3 final review. Alright, the first problem says graph each function. How is the graph a translation of f of x equals x squared? Now on your actual final you'll have graphs to choose from. What I mostly want to talk about is how these move. So for this one, I notice we have plus 2 on the inside. Remember, the number on the inside moves it left or right. If you had a positive h on the inside, it's going to move your graph to the left. If you have x plus h squared, if you have x minus h squared, it's going to move your graph to the right. Oop, I don't know why I started writing graph instead of right. So for this one, since we have a positive number here, my graph is going to move to the left. And then since it's plus 2, it's just moving to the left 2. So you're looking at your pictures, you're choosing the graph that goes to the left twice. For our next one, we're graphing each function, same thing. Remember your number on the inside. If you have x plus h squared, that moves it to the left. If you have x minus h squared, that moves it to the right. So for this one, since we have plus 1, that is going to go to the left 1. Then you also have a number on the outside. If you have x squared plus k on the outside, that means it's going up. If you have x squared minus k, that means it's going down. So for this one, we're going up 3. So we're looking for the graph that moves left 1 and then up 3. And that is all you have to do for these two. All right, if you have any questions, you need any help, don't hesitate to talk to your math teacher. Thanks for watching.